Hello, I just want to make a video about genes and genetics. Um, there seems to be an idea amongst scientists that genes are commodities. They keep talking about what can be done with various genes. There's something on YouTube called, some videos on YouTube about superhumans, and various abilities are pointed out. And scientists say how great the future can be when we can use these things and at will kind of thing. Well, my point is, whose will? The scientists? Business people? Exactly who is going to be the one to make the choice about who can use these genes? The prevailing culture, created obviously by the media, not by the ordinary person who has no voice. I mean, God knows how many people will view this video, probably about one. You know, the media, which features millions, tens of millions of people and hundreds of millions and billions across the world every day, has a prevailing culture that genes are commodities. So what are they? What are genes? Genes make life forms, including people. Your genes have made you. Do you want to be accessed by anyone at any time? Do you want to be some sort of public rape thing, an entertainment, a pleasure, an enjoyment? Genes have preferences. Genes make preferences. They make different people. The characteristics they make have to be respected. You can't just sell them like they're pleasures, one to another. Rich people have money, yes, but that shouldn't buy them the right to make pleasures, slave models, really, out of other people. Money shouldn't give you the right to rape. And that's what genes are, people with preferences who may well not consent to people who want them. Let me give you an example. Say there's somebody you really find repulsive and you definitely don't ever want anything to do with them, okay? Especially not intimately. What about if that person had the money to buy aspects of you, bits they found enjoyable, or to buy those genes and mix them with their own to create a child? That would effectively be the rape of you. It might not have attacked your body, but your preferences that made you what you are, that made you not want that thing, that person, have been completely ignored. The fact that you're a human being has been ignored. A child, another human being, has been created, which is effectively a living embodiment of your rape by someone you can't stand and don't want. Okay? We're completely ignoring really important aspects of things like that here. We're also ignoring various things that are not PC anymore. Liking sugar, liking fats, being an introvert, being shy. I'm shy sometimes. I'll tell you exactly what it means. These days it's called social phobia, which is a sickness. What it is giving a damn whether or not people want to hear what you have to say, considering whether or not anyone's interested in it, because you're a considerate person. It's a form of social considerateness. It's a form of social consideration. It's something to be lauded. It's a pity that loudmouths aren't considered some sort of sickness. Why isn't being a loudmouth an illness? I think shyness is being victimized because it doesn't pay the rich people. They want loudmouths who beat people into buying things, browbeat them into buying things if they enter their shop or something. Salespeople they want, loudmouths, overbearing types. They pay. Goodness doesn't pay. Evil pays, unfortunately, as we do often see. Goodness does pay, of course, but you know what I'm saying. To rich people, well, rich people only care about what pays. They don't even seem to care if they live or die. They're willing to pollute the earth until they die on it, just as long as they die one of the rich people. They're insane. They're actually sick themselves, you know. There are more psychopaths amongst the rich than anywhere else in society because they gravitate to wealth and power. These people are not good. We should actually be weeding them out. We should be eugenetically weeding them out the psychopaths, from positions of power, not picking on people who are socially considerate, not genociding good qualities like social consideration. This world is really going to suffer if it doesn't understand the value of goodness and morality. We don't want a world where people with money can buy the right to rape other genes that don't prefer them and don't want them. We need to start legislating for goodness, not evil, to survive. And that includes viewing genes as things that make people, and therefore as things that have to be evaluated in terms of what they make and considered in terms of what they prefer. Not just as commodities that can be sold by rich people as rape. Thank you. Bye-bye.